going on, YouTube? How you guys doing? Welcome back. And so today I'm going to clean the garage, and see those two posts? I'm gonna put two on this side also and call it a night. It's already like 10. But yeah, I'm gonna clean the garage up a little bit from all my truck mess fiasco. Just pick it up, make sure, you know, because it's kind of looks like a flop house. So pick it up, put two posts over here. Then I gotta run to the store tomorrow probably. I'm gonna get some 12-foot 2x4s. Yeah, two of them for the top frame over here, and then I'm gonna start boxing this in. So let me get that. Watch. This thing saved my ass. If you guys are looking for like a cheap, I'm not sponsored by anything, but like a cheap 12-volt charger for your truck or car or tender, this thing I think is like 20 bucks on Amazon. Yeah. They have a lot of like just cheap stuff, but this thing I've used probably the past 2 years. I use this thing a lot, and it's just like a little cheap. It charges at like 6 amps, and it gets down. I'm gonna tell you, good investment. If you don't want like one of those big bulky ones. I built these last time, totally forgot, but I'll be installing these on this side. Yep, So my really good friend has a chop saw, actually a miter saw, and I am going to use it to help me build this, so I'm gonna ask him here. So Spencer, if you watch this, I'm gonna be asking you in a few days. Okay. Now I'm gonna build a few side braces. So probably like every 2 feet, some 2x4 or 3 feet. We'll see. I'm gonna count it out right now. My zipper was down. Why didn't you guys tell me? All right, gotta do one more. Now I'll call her a night. And she looks pretty magnified, so it's 3 feet spaced out, 2x4s. I'll have plywood underneath, and then yeah, this is gonna just be inside the bed. It's gonna carry storage. I'll have storage underneath, but yeah. So far it's probably like still 100 and some pounds already. But this is gonna be the heaviest part because it's gonna take the most load. So yeah, this is gonna be the heaviest part because it does have to take the biggest load of all the weight, because 8 feet of it will be in the bed, 4 feet of it will be hanging off the rear end. So, and it's got to support, I don't know, probably like 4,000 pounds at the end of the day. So, yeah, we'll be standing on top of this. It's gonna be interesting. Quite interesting. I think I'm gonna build it in 2 separate pieces. Build the box down below, and then I'll build the bottom. And then I will put them together because I want to work in the garage. Yes, sir. All right. I'm happy with it. It's coming along. Oh. It's just always kind of nerve-wracking because you don't want to do like the wrong thing, you know what I'm saying? And then redo things. That's how we learn. Yep. All right. Me and my Bubba are super tired. Look at this. Bubba, Mater, you tired? We're tired. We're gonna go to bed. Probably. It's probably like 11 something, so. Yeah, pretty tired. We had a long day. Had work and stuff. Played Fortnite. Got like 3 victory royales and like 2, I think it was 2 crown wins, if I do believe. So yeah, if you want to follow me on there or add me on Xbox, it's Beef Struck Me Off. I know, it's kind of funny, but yeah. Whew. One more look. I'll be getting some wood probably tomorrow just for the top, and then we'll start getting in some other wood, because then I want to box it up so it doesn't like rock back and forth. So yes, sir. All right, guys. See ya. Oh, by the way, if you can, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I had 22 people watch it and nobody liked or subscribed, but I get it. I mean, I'm new. Don't know what the hell I'm doing. So see you guys. Bye.